Welcome to Luxury Insider Channel. The 2026 Dodge Coronet 440 marks the return of an American muscle legend, reimagined for the modern era with powerful performance, bold design, and advanced technology. Once a staple of the golden age of muscle cars, the Coronet nameplate now returns with a contemporary twist, blending heritage styling with hybrid-assisted power, cutting-edge features and performance that rivals some of the most exciting vehicles on the road today. At first glance, the 2026 Coronet 440 commands attention. Its exterior design pays homage to its 1960s predecessors with a long hood, broad shoulders, and a muscular stance. But this is not simply a retro throwback. Sculpted body lines, aerodynamic contours, and signature LED lighting bring a modern edge to the classic profile. Wide fenders, intense grille detailing, and aggressive front fascia elements give it a presence that's both nostalgic and unmistakably contemporary, making it a standout on both the street and the strip. Inside, Dodge has crafted a cabin that merges muscle car attitude with refined comfort and technology. Premium leather and Alcantara materials cloak the supportive bucket seats, while ambient lighting and carbon fiber accents create a driver-focused environment. A large digital instrument cluster and high-resolution infotainment screen replace traditional gauges, offering customizable performance readouts, navigation, and connectivity features such as wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This blend of heritage and high-tech ensures the driver feels connected to both the vehicle and the driving experience. Under the sculpted hood lies the beating heart of this modern muscle machine. Dodge has equipped the 2026 Coronet 440 with a hybrid-assisted 6.4-liter HEMI V8, producing an astonishing combined output of approximately 900 horsepower in its most potent form. This incredible powertrain combines classic big block muscle with electric assistance, delivering mind-bending torque and explosive acceleration that rivals supercars. Early estimates indicate 0 to 60 miles per hour times in the low 2-second range, a jaw-dropping figure that places the Coronet among the fastest production cars ever built. Despite its blistering straight-line performance, the Coronet 440 isn't just about raw speed. Dodge has tuned the chassis and suspension to deliver balanced handling and confident control. Adaptive dampers and a well-engineered multi-link setup help the vehicle navigate corners with poise while maintaining ride comfort for everyday driving. All-wheel drive comes standard or as an option on higher trims, enhancing traction and delivering composed performance in varied conditions. The transmission system plays a crucial role in harnessing this incredible power. The Coronet 440 uses an advanced 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, designed for lightning-fast shifts and smooth power delivery. Paddle shifters allow drivers to take manual control when desired, further enhancing the engagement and connection between driver and machine. Technology and convenience also take center stage inside the Coronet 440, Dodge's latest. Uconnect infotainment system delivers a seamless digital experience with intuitive controls and customizable displays. Performance modes let drivers switch between economy, sport, and track-oriented settings, tuning throttle response, suspension stiffness, and transmission behavior on demand. A premium audio system fills the cabin with rich sound, making every drive an immersive experience, whether cruising or storming down a straight. Safety is not overlooked in this powerhouse. The 2026 Coronet 440 comes equipped with a suite of advanced driver assist technologies, including adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. These systems work seamlessly in the background to help protect occupants and enhance confidence, even at high performance levels. This fusion of safety and performance exemplifies how modern muscle cars have evolved. Dodge has also introduced multiple drive modes that allow the Coronet 440 to adapt to different driving environments. Eco modes balance performance with efficiency, while sport and track settings sharpen throttle response, steering, and suspension behavior for maximum dynamic performance. Hybrid modes optimize the electric assist system, blending traditional muscle car power with enhanced responsiveness and reduced emissions. While performance and power are core to its identity, the Coronet 440 is also crafted for daily usability. Its ergonomic seating, intuitive interface, and thoughtful storage spaces make it surprisingly practical for everyday use. Despite its aggressive capabilities, it offers comfort and convenience features that make commuting or long drives enjoyable. Exterior customization will play a major role in the Coronet's appeal. Dodge is expected to offer an array of vibrant classic and modern finishes, from plum crazy purple and Hemi red to sleek carbon steel gray. Unique wheel designs and optional performance upgrades allow buyers to tailor the car's look and performance to their preferences, connecting personal style with historic muscle heritage. The return of the Coronet 440 has generated excitement among enthusiasts and collectors alike. Its combination of classic heritage and cutting-edge performance technology makes it a symbol of how American muscle can evolve without losing its soul. With limited production and high performance, it's poised to become both an enthusiast favorite and a future classic in its own right. Whether you're drawn to its retro-inspired design, its thunderous hybrid-assisted Hemi powertrain, or its high-tech interior, the 2026 Dodge Coronet 440 stands as a declaration that muscle cars still have a place in a modern automotive world. It's a thrilling fusion of past and future, delivering performance, style, and emotion in every mile, a true rebirth of an American legend.